All right, the only part of today's lesson is going over the homework. Seen a lot of bad homeworks as I go through them. You're going to start seeing grades pop up. If you're just writing lines on a piece of paper, you're getting no credit. If you're just writing numbers down, you're getting no credit or half credit. I think I gave some of you half credit for it. Don't do it. And make sure you're turning your homeworks in. If you miss a day, make sure you're getting the homework from the day you missed, because I'm just giving you a zero for it. Lastly, make sure you're writing your name on your homework. I had 2 assignments from an algebra class. Don't know which one, don't know which kids. You got zeros for it. So just do a little better job. All right. On this homework assignment, it was substitution again. You take this 3x and you plug it in for y. So you get 2x, that's a 3. 2x plus 3 times 3x equals 33. It gives you 11x equals 33. Divide by 11, x equals 3. Now plug that into the top equation. You get y equals 3 times 3, which is 9. So your answer is 3, 9. Second question was number 2. So for number 2, you're going to plug the 4x plus 3 in for y. So it gives you 3x plus, and then you distribute the 2. So 8x plus 6. So I'm already distributing that across this. 2 times 4, 2 times 3 equals 28. Gives you 11x plus 6 equals 28. 11x equals 22. Divide by 11, x equals 2. Take that 2 and plug it back in for the first equation. 4 times 2 plus 3 is 11. So your answer should be 211. Not too concerned with you graphing it. Graphing is a huge issue for some of you still. Guess what? It's going to come back at the end of this chapter too. There's just no way around it. Learn what I'm telling you to learn. Alright, y equals 3x plus 2. Negative 3x plus 3x plus 2. Just took this value for y and plugged it in. Equals 10. Those cancel. You get 2 equals 10. When does 2 equal 10? Never. So it's no solution. Number 4. Got to get y by itself first. This is the y I'm going to get by itself because this has a coefficient and both your x's have coefficients. So I'm going to subtract the 4x over. Y equals negative 4x plus 13. Now I can plug that in here. 3x plus, then you're going to distribute the 5 times negative 4x, 5 times 13. 5 times negative 4 gives me negative 20. So it's 3x minus 20x. And then 5 times 13 gives me 65 equals 14. That gives you negative 17x plus 65 equals 14. Subtract the 65 over. Negative 17x equals negative 51. Divide by negative 17. You get x equals 3. Take that 3, plug it back in here. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, plus 13 is 1. Y equals 1. Your answer is 3, 1. Number 5. Y equals 5x plus 2. Plug that in, write 4y here. Negative 10x plus 10x plus 4. Taking this 2, distributing it to the 5x and the 2. Those 2 cancel out. I have 4 equals 4. That's always, so it's all real numbers or infinite. Solutions. You just stop at infinite. Number 6. I gotta get one of my variables by itself. Let me get y by itself because there's no coefficient, no number in front of it. So I have to add 4x to both sides. It's going to give me y equals 4x minus 7. I take that and plug it in for y up here. 3x. That's a negative 2 times 4x. It's going to give me minus 8x. And then a negative 2 times negative 7 gives me plus 14 equals 4. These two combine to give me negative 5x plus 14 equals 4. Subtract the 14 over. Negative 5x equals negative 10. Divide by negative 5, x equals 2. Take that 2, plug it back in up here. 4 times 2 minus 7 gives me y equals 1. Your answer should be 2, comma 1. Number 7. Plug in 4x minus 3 into the second equation for y. It's going to give us 3x plus 4 times, or plus 3 times 4x, which is 12x. And then 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9, equals 51. Gives you 15x minus 9 equals 51. Add the 9 over. 15x equals 60. Divide by 15. X equals 4. Take that 4, plug it in up here. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 3 is 13. So you get 4, 13. Number 8. Got to get this y by itself first. Subtract the 2x over. Y equals negative 2x plus 10. Now substitute that in here. 6x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6x. 3 times 10 is 30. Those cancel out. You're left with 30 equals 30. So that's infinite solutions. That's it. Okay, you can get started on your day 3 assignment. Good opportunity to practice. You should be able to finish it in class. All right, good luck. Don't forget, you can email me if you have questions, and not the day of the test. Now's the time to email me. We're only on section 2. Oh wait, there's questions 9 and 10 down here. My bad. I didn't see those. Number 9. We have y equals 3x plus 1. Substitute that in here. 2x plus 3 times 3x is 9x plus 3 equals 36. Gives you 11x plus 3 equals 36. Subtract 3. 11x equals 33. X equals 3. Plug the 3 in up here. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So you get y equals 10. 310 is your solution. Number 10, we're going to combine these, but we're going to have to get the x by itself first. So you add the 4y to the other side. X equals 4y plus 10. Now take the 4y and plus 10 and plug it in up here. So negative 2 times 4y. I'll just jump right into it. Gives me negative 8y. Negative 2 times 10 gives me negative 20, and that's plus 8y equals 8. Negative 8y and 8y on the same side cancel out, and negative 20 equals 8. So there's no solution. All right. Good luck on today's assignment. What I was saying before was we're only on section 2. Section 3 comes next, then section 4. Then you're going to have a quiz after section 4. So if you have questions on section 2 right now, you should be emailing me those questions now, not the night before your quiz on after section 4. Make sense? Hope so. All right,